Hello, I'm Lawrence and I'm going to show you how to fix a DR5 pump. So when you've used this enough, probably had it a year, one good wash season, when you pump it'll be really slack and it'll take 10 times the pumps that you normally have to do to build up the pressure. What this is just a simple sleeve inside, so you don't need to go and buy a new pump or buy a new DR5. So on the top you've got 2 screws, so you unscrew them, nice and simple. Just need a crosshead or Phillips screwdriver and take out those screws. Then inside you'll see you've got this plastic sleeve here. This is in sprayers, and especially like Glorious and stuff like that, this will be a rubber seal that you can oil up and replace, but in the case of the DR5 it's plastic, and what happens is over pumping, this obviously just wears down, and then you're not getting the friction, you know, further down the line to build the pressure. So how to get this off? Snips. It's the only way. You have to cut it off completely. Get yourself some basic snips. These are £1 from my Wilco's or something like that, so, but they've always done me the job, and I literally just cut it so you can rip it off completely and chuck it in the bin. Then you get a new seal, sleeve. These come in a pack of 6. Again, a few quid, not much at all, and you get 6 of them. So handy, you know, help your DR5 going for at least 6 years. And all you do, put it in the place it was, and it literally just pushes on. Done. Brand new. Push it back in, and that takes a lot more pressure there going in, and it will take 10 times less pumps to pump up your duster. Then simply put your screws back in, and there you are. You've got a brand new DR5 pump ready to go without buying a new DR5 and without struggling any more on jobs. Thank you, bye bye.